Hi everyone, it's Chris here from Profit Squirrel. How you all doing? Thank you for joining me here again with another Profit Squirrel vlog. In this video, what I wanted to do was talk about whether Betfair Exchange is available in your country. So I'm making this video because over the last month or two, we've had a lot more inquiries to the Profit Squirrel support email, either via the contact us form or the chat, or people ringing into the support line. And what they're doing is they're calling from other countries, or they're saying, is this betting exchange available in my country? I'm not sure if I can sign up to it or not. And most of the time they're talking about Betfair, and I think that is because Betfair has the most availability, or maybe one of the biggest brands out there. And that's the one people tend to focus on. But people are not sure if they can do match betting. You know, they've come across it and they're not sure whether it's actually possible to do it in their country. Now, I've made a similar video like this before. It's called International Match Betting. Is it possible? If you haven't watched that and you are looking to match bet from outside of the UK, because it is a great opportunity to make money. And as I'm sure you all know, I'm a big fan of it, but it needs to be something that you take into account whether you're in the UK or not. So if you haven't watched that video and you're outside the UK, or you're currently in the UK and you're going to be heading out soon, check out that video, because that is going to give you some answers and some good insights as to what is possible when you are abroad. But in this video specifically, what I'm actually just doing is talking about betting exchanges. Specifically, I'm going to focus on the Betfair exchange because, as I said, that is the one that typically has the most availability and the one that typically seems to be available in the widest amount of geographies. So let's check it out. In this guide here, which also I will link to below, this is an article that the Profit Squirrel team have put together, and basically what it is, it's a really handy list for you of the countries where you can access the Betfair exchange, and there are markets there, you know, there are things that you can actually do to complete match betting offers. So if you're wondering if you can access Betfair from your country, go ahead, check out this article, look at the list and see if you can find your country here. And if you can, then you should be good to go. This is the latest list that we had available at the time of recording. This is what we've researched so far. But just make sure at the time of signing up that you check that it's all okay. And of course, make sure you follow any applicable laws in your country when it comes to sports betting, things like that. Make sure you're not breaking any rules there. So if you are based in one of these countries, then you should have no problems accessing Betfair Exchange, which should mean that you can go ahead and complete match betting offers in the normal way, backing at the bookmaker, laying at the betting exchange, and it should be all good. If you don't have access to these exchanges, then you may still be able to complete offers by Dutching. If you don't know what Dutching is, check out the video that I've linked to below. It is called The Beginner's Guide to Dutching, and what that essentially is when you're using two bookmakers or more to actually place back bets, and you can do match betting that way. Even if you don't have access to betting exchanges to place lay bets, you can still kind of do match betting with back bets. And a little tip for you as well, some of the best offers for international match bettors are actually early payout offers, sometimes known as 2-up offers. And it is possible to do Dutching in conjunction with early payout 2-up offers. And actually here at Profit Squirrel, very soon, we're going to have our early payout Dutching calculator launching. I'm going to make a video on that when that is up live and running. And that is going to be a really cool one, because that is going to enable people from all sorts of locations to actually take advantage of those offers and get the most out of them. So that video is to come in the future. But for now, I would just say, if you've been wondering if you can access Betfair Exchange in your country, click the link below, check out this article, see if your country's on there, and then you should be good to go. Cool, so drop me a comment below if you have any questions, or if you are trying to match bet internationally. How's it going for you? Let me know. I'd love to hear how you're getting on. Stay tuned to the Profit Squirrel YouTube channel. Make sure you hit that subscribe button so that you don't miss out on the latest upcoming videos, and you're going to want to see that early payout Dutching calculator video that's going to be coming out soon, because that is going to be a really nice extra little piece for you that is going to let you make more money with match betting offers. So hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and join me again for the next Profit Squirrel vlog video. Thanks so much for watching as always. I love making these videos for you, and I'll see you all again in another one really, really soon. Bye for now.